Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I'm Victoryforu and welcome back to my channel. Beautiful people, how you been doing? How you been doing? I know it's been a long time, but I'm back currently. For now. In today's video, I'm going to show you a dance tutorial to a dance routine that I made up to the amazing song Greatness by Panther. If you have not already checked out the song, then you need to go and do that. It'll be linked in the description below, so you can go download it, stream it, the whole shebang. And also, if you don't already know about Panther, then what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. This year, you need to get to know about Panther. Anyway, let's jump straight into the Greatness Dance Challenge tutorial.
I need you back in the city, I need a night to come clean. Greatness, 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 greatness. How it put me to the test, greatness. Goodness, gracious, greatness. My spirits told me level up, greatness. No, they don't like the way I act, shameless. Put it all on blast, then greatness. Just greatness. I just need.
You've just seen the TikTok video or the Reels video that has the whole dance in it. I'll make sure that is linked below as well, so you can go and check it out and watch it again and again and again and again and again if you really want to. But yes, I also want to say a huge thank you not only to Panther but to Nice Life for reaching out to me and being so loving and supportive on this dance. Like, it's really cool to, you know, have the artist actually see the kind of things that you've created. So thank you very much. Now let's just get into it. This is, I feel like, a really fun dance to do. It's fairly simple, and additionally, like, you can make modifications to help it to work for you. So let's start off right at the beginning with the first move. Before you start this dance routine, you know, just groove into it, have some fun, and then before you go into the rolls, you go great 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're kind of coming up and then bringing the energy down. A lot of what you're doing with your legs is that kind of motion, but the main movement happens in your upper body. You cross your body with your left arm, just like this, and your right arm, that's doing all of the motion. It's just going around and round like this for 7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you're doing that with your legs, you're basically doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From there, on the 8, you push both hands to your right, like this. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, you go over for like 180 degrees. So from your right all the way over to your left. So it goes over 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put that all together. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, like this, you're going dipping on your left side, and it's dip 2, 3, 4. So you go dip to the left, dip to the right, and then, so as your right hand goes down, your left knee goes out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you roll your hands up. So it's 1 and down. And as you do that, you kind of body roll slightly. So it's 1 and down, and then you get ready to nay away. So you are physically going backwards whilst you're nay-naying, going hey, like that. So let's put that all together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you just finish your nay-nay, and then you just do a running man. So run, and then that's also for 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right. Again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right. Now from jumping left, then to right, you jump down, up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. And whilst you're doing that, you put your tongue out and go, like the TikTok dance, you know. Also, when you're going down like this, there are multiple ways you can do it. In the first ever video, I did it to the side, then jumped back up. You can do it forward, then jump back up. You can do it in any which way you like. You can go like that and come back up, whichever way you feel most comfortable. That's the way you do. You put your own spin on it. So after you've gone you go again, roll down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So that's out, in, out. But then obviously when you're doing that, the momentum of your whole body will help you go. So it's like a nice jumping motion and very, very joyful. And then you go on your left side, I just need. So sped up, that will go. So you've gone, I just need. And then 1, 2, 3, roll and slap. Out, cross, out, body roll, and bring your knee up, slap your knee. You can do whatever at that end point, to be completely honest. Just enjoy it and just have fun with it. Now, let's run through the whole thing all together.
I need you back in the city, I need a night to come clean. Greatness, 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 greatness. How it put me to the test, greatness. Goodness gracious, greatness. My spirits told me level up, greatness. They don't like the way I act, shameless. Just put it all on blast, then greatness. Just greatness. I just need.
So I hope the slowed down version and bits of instruction that have popped up on screen can help you to master this dance routine. Make sure you tag me, Victoryforu, in all of your dance routines, and also tag in St. Panther as well, because we want to make this world dance to greatness, because this year we're all going to be great. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Victoryforu. Hope that you'll be victorious every day. God bless, bye bye, and quite frankly, I don't know when I'll see you next, but I'll be back soon, at some point in the near future. Bye.